Right now, a storm is sweeping the country. The south and southwest is getting hit with record below temperatures and wind chills that'll give you frostbite in minutes. And the east coast is getting hit with torrential downpours, but luckily Michigan got that sweet spot. We got blizzards and 2 feet of snow and not too cold. Perfect for the hot tent. But right now we gotta set that up so we can get out of this snow. My plan was to push the sled all around this area to pack down the snow so we have a good area, but it's way too hard, so I'm just gonna empty it and then shovel it out with the empty sled. My jacket is freezing. It's crunchy. It is really coming down out there. That blizzard is no joke. All right, I got everything inside the tent. Now I just want to get it situated and then I'll get the wood stove going. We're finally settled in for the night. Have about a half hour of daylight left, so we might as well start dinner since I never start dinner during daylight. Oh no, my oil solidified. Gotta heat it up. So, I'm excited for today's dinner. It's something I've never done before, at least here camping, doing chili. That food is starting to smell so good. You know, I've been thinking, and I usually don't get nervous, but I'm a little nervous today. And it's not the cold or anything, it's just the amount of snow. I just don't want this thing to collapse on us in the middle of the night. Luckily, our truck's not too far if we have to get out of here in an instant. We're about a good 5-10 minutes walk away, so not bad. Nervous, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It always is. All right, now that all that meat's brown, I got these final ingredients. You got corn and black beans and broth right here. Jeez. Okay, wow. It's the first big win that hit all night. I also have some picante. That's boiling pretty good. I'm gonna take it off the heat for now and let it sit for a while. In the meantime, I'm gonna have a drink. Got Santa's Secret Weapon. Santa's Secret Weapon IPA ale. I think it's an ale. All right, that chili's done. I'm gonna give Alice her food. There you go, good girl. All right, dinner is ready. That smells incredible. Gotta put some cheese in there. Tortilla chips. All right, well, I'm gonna keep eating this and I'll see you guys before bed. All right, well, we're full and tired. It's almost 8:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere in there. But we're gonna get to sleep, try and keep this fire going all night, stay warm. We'll let you guys know how it goes in the morning. See you then. Good morning. It was a warm night last night. The wood did run out about an hour ago, so I decided to go beat the snow off the tent to warm up. And now that I don't have any wood, I'm not gonna go searching in 2.5 feet of snow, so I think we're just gonna pack up and try and get out of here before the snow hits later today. Now that is what I call a blizzard. I definitely want to do it again, but next time I'm going to change it up. I'm not going to bring Atlas. It's just too much for her. Yesterday in the foot of snow she could handle it, but then today when I woke up and started walking around the tent and packing up, it was 2.5 feet, and there's no way she could have got through it. It was taller than her, so I had to carry her about a quarter mile through the snow. That was one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. I was so out of breath, and I was just covered in sweat underneath, but luckily I knew I was getting in the truck to warm up. So anyways, I hope you guys had a great time at that adventure with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Atlas Adventures.